Hello guys, welcome once again over here on this channel, and today we are going to learn how to drink water. This is very simple, but I just want to entertain you guys with this. Do you get me? So let's try to learn how to drink water. So if you want to learn how to drink water, in Africa here, most of us we use sachet water. The tier countries uses bottled water. So if you want to use bottled water, what you have to do is, so first of all, what you have to do is to just hold the bottle and try to open the top. Do you get me? So when you open the top, you just take it in. Do you get me? But with this, I'm going to use sachet water. I don't have money to afford this, so I'm going to use this. As you can see, this is sachet water. So you just have to use your teeth, or sometimes you can use a sharp object like scissors or knife to just take it out of it. Do you get it? You just have to cut it at the top over here or any edge that you feel like cutting. So I've already cut over here. You just do that. And after that, you just take it in. You don't have to drink all. You just have to wait for some minutes. Then now let's continue. Let's wait on the next one, which is the third one or the level 3. What you have to do is to drink all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Try to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment your name in the comment section. Bye bye.